Welcome to SmartCart YouTube channel. We analyze customers' feedbacks and share insights into what real buyers are saying, helping you make informed purchasing decisions.
Glad to be here for this one.
Yeah, and just real quick before we jump in, the product buy link is available in the pinned comment and description.
Right.
And please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, just keeping it in the flow of the video.
Absolutely.
So today we're looking at the specs for the Ruvati 33-inch Workstation 6040 double bowl undermount sink. That's model RVH 8356. Okay, let's unpack this. How does a simple basin transform into a full workstation?
Well, it's really all about the built-in ledge fit system. It completely rethinks kitchen ergonomics.
Because it's not just a sink, right? I mean, it's basically the Swiss Army knife of kitchens.
Exactly, yeah. The front and back ledges actually act as tracks. So your included prep tools just slide back and forth right over the basin.
Oh, wow. So you're keeping all the mess totally off your countertops.
Right. And what's fascinating here is the sheer quality of these tools they include. Like the cutting board isn't just cheap plastic. It's solid sapel wood.
Sapel wood? Wait, what is that?
It's an African mahogany. So it naturally resists water, and most importantly, it won't dull your knives.
Oh, thank goodness. Because bamboo boards just destroy my knives.
Exactly. And they also include this patented foldable drying rack. It's made of stainless steel bars, but held together with a flexible silicone frame.
That's super clever. But here's where it gets really interesting. That track system isn't just limited to the stuff in the box.
Oh, definitely not.
Yeah, it's compatible with over 40 interchangeable ledge fit accessories.
Wow.
So you can actually build out this totally custom prep space over time.
That's amazing. But, with all these heavy wood boards and metal accessories sliding around, we have to talk about durability.
Yeah, I actually want to push back on this a little bit.
Oh.
Doesn't a giant 33-inch metal basin create just a ton of noise? Dropping pots and pans into a huge metal tub, wouldn't that just be deafening in a kitchen?
It would be, yeah, if it was made of cheap, thin metal. But Ruvati actually tackles this by using a heavy-duty, thick rubber padding on the outside.
Oh, so it absorbs the impact.
Exactly. It's for soundproofing, and it also prevents condensation from building up underneath. Plus, the whole thing is made of premium 16-gauge T304 stainless steel.
Right, and in metalworking, a lower gauge means thicker metal, so 610 gauge won't rust and it won't dent easily.
Right, and it has a commercial brushed finish, which is great because it actually hides those everyday scratches.
Nice. And the layout itself is really smart. It's a 60-40 double bowl layout. The left side is 18 by 16 inches, the right is 12 by 16 inches, and get this, they're both 10 inches deep.
That is massive.
Yeah, you could hide an entire dinner party's worth of dirty dishes in there. Plus, those sharp inside corners give it a really crisp, modern design.
They really do. But, if we connect this to the bigger picture, you do have to plan your kitchen cabinets around this thing.
Because of the size?
Yeah, you need a minimum 36-inch base cabinet for this to fit.
Okay, that makes sense.
But they do help you out by including protective stainless steel bottom grids, so your heavy pots stay elevated off the base, which prevents scratches.
So what does this all mean for someone looking to upgrade their kitchen?
It really shifts the entire philosophy of kitchen design. And this raises an important question. If your sink is no longer just a place to wash up, but the central hub where you chop and rinse and dry, how does that fundamentally change your cooking workflow and the cleanliness of your kitchen?
It totally changes the game. You're doing everything in one spot. Well, you've been listening to SmartCart YouTube channel, where we help you make informed decisions. If you get any help from the video, then hit that red subscribe button showing below and press bell icon for future videos notifications. You can also visit this channel and watch other videos for more useful gadgets. One product review at a time. We'll catch you next time.